Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my daily Arabic vocabularies. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to learn from this lesson how to change the Arabic verb ينتهي to suit some certain pronouns in Arabic. فعل مضارع present tense. فعل مضارع present continuous tense. فعل مضارع. This is a form of verb in Arabic that one can use to talk about an action happening at the moment or something that we do on daily basis, like going to work, going to school, or going to mosque. As I am teaching now, the only form of verb in Arabic that I can use to talk about what I am doing now is called فعل مضارع. The question is, how do we change the verb ينتهي to suit the pronouns below? ينتهي simply means he is finishing. He in Arabic is huwa, being the opposite of here, she. So how do we now change the verb ينتهي to suit the following pronouns? Wahid, number one, ana, I. So how do we change the verb ينتهي to suit ana? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach alifun. So the verb ينتهي will now become antahi, which means I am finishing. Ithnan, number two, nahanu, we. So how do we change the verb ينتهي to suit nahanu? All you need to do is to attach yaun and attach nunun, is to detach yaun and attach nunun. So the verb ينتهي will now become nantahi, which means we are finishing. Thalatha, number three, anta, you, representing a single male person. So how do we change the verb ينتهي to suit anta? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach ta'un. So the verb ينتهي will now become tantahi, which means you are finishing. Arba'a, number four, anti, you, representing a single female person. So how do we change the verb ينتهي to suit anti? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach ta'un. Not only that, then you attach yaun and nunun carrying fataha to the last letter. So the verb ينتهي will now become tantahina, which means you are finishing, talking to a single female person. Khamsa, number five, here, she. So how do we change the verb ينتهي to suit here? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach ta'un. So the verb ينتهي will now become tantahi, which means she is finishing. Remember, we used yaun to talk about a single male person and ta'un to talk about a single female person. Talking about them does not mean talking to them directly. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udurus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udurus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Mujabun, positive. Manfiyun, negative. Mujab, positive. This is the state of a sentence in Arabic that means something is happening. Manfiyun, negative. This is the state of a sentence in Arabic that means nothing is happening. For instance, Wahid, number one, ينتهي, he is finishing. ما ينتهي, he is not finishing. Ithnan, number two, تنتهي, she is finishing. ما تنتهي, she is not finishing. Thalatha, number three, أنتهي, I am finishing. ما أنتهي, I am not finishing. Arba'a, number four, ننتهي, we are finishing. ما ننتهي, we are not finishing. Khamsa, number five, تنتهي, you are finishing, talking to a single male person. ما تنتهي, you are not finishing. Sitta, number six, تنتهينا, you are finishing, talking to a single female person. ما تنتهينا, you are not finishing. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Al-isti'mal, now the usage. Wahid, number one, متى ينتهي الدرس. متى ينتهي الدرس, when will the lesson get finished? متى ينتهي الدرس, when will the lesson get finished? Now the answer, ينتهي درس الساعة 9 صباحا. ينتهي درس الساعة 9 صباحا. ينتهي الدرس. The lesson will get finished. الساعة 9 at 9 o'clock صباحا in the morning. 2. Number 2. متى تنتهي زينب من التدريس؟ متى تنتهي زينب من التدريس؟ متى تنتهي زينب؟ When will Zainab finish من التدريس from teaching? متى تنتهي زينب من التدريس? When will Zainab finish from teaching? Now the answer. ستنتهي زينب من التدريس بعد قليل. ستنتهي زينب من التدريس بعد قليل. ستنتهي زينب. Zainab will finish من التدريس from teaching بعد قليل shortly, meaning he will finish after a short period of time. بعد زمن قليل, after a short period of time. ستنتهي زينب من التدريس. Zainab will finish from teaching بعد قليل shortly. 3. Number 3. متى تنتهي من دراستك يا أخي؟ متى تنتهي من دراستك يا أخي؟ متى تنتهي? When will you finish من دراستك from your studies يا أخي my brother? Know the answer. سأنتهي من دراستي السنة القادمة. سأنتهي من دراستي السنة القادمة. سأنتهي I will finish من دراستي from my studies السنة القادمة by next year. سأنتهي I will finish من دراستي from my study السنة القادمة by next year. لعلك فهمت؟ I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. 4. Number 4. متى تنتهين من دراستك يا أختي؟ متى تنتهين من دراستك يا أختي؟ متى تنتهين? When will you finish من دراستك from your studies يا أختي my sister, talking to a single female person. متى تنتهين من دراستك يا أختي? So when will you finish from your studies يا أختي my sister? Know the answer. سأنتهي من دراستي بعد 3 أشهر. سأنتهي من دراستي بعد 3 أشهر. سأنتهي I will finish من دراستي from my studies بعد 3 أشهر in 3 months to come. سأنتهي I will finish من دراستي from my studies بعد 3 أشهر in 3 months to come. Remember, أشهر is the plural form of شهر. شهر مفرد, أشهر جمع. 5. Number 5. متى تنتهيان من العمل؟ متى تنتهيان من العمل؟ متى تنتهيان? When will you both finish من العمل from the work? Talking to Hashim and Khalid. متى تنتهيان? When will you both finish من العمل from the work? Know the answer. سننتهي من العمل بعد 3 أيام. سننتهي من العمل بعد 3 أيام. سننتهي we will finish من العمل from the work بعد 3 أيام in 3 days to come. 6. Number 6. متى تنتهون من الاجتماع يا إخوة؟ متى تنتهون من الاجتماع يا إخوة؟ متى تنتهون? When will you all finish من الاجتماع from the meeting يا إخوة brothers, talking to a group of male persons. Remember that mina is an agent of kasra. Its grammatical duty is to mark the last letter of any Arabic word appearing after it, as we have it in min al-ijtima'i, ainun with kasra caused by mimun appearing before it. Min al-ijtima'i. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. 6. Number 6. متى تنتهون من الاجتماع? When will you all finish from the meeting يا إخوة brothers? Know the answer. سننتهي من الاجتماع بعد قليل. سننتهي من الاجتماع بعد قليل. سننتهي we will finish من الاجتماع from the meeting بعد قليل shortly. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. 7. Number 7. متى تنتهين من الامتحان يا أخوات؟ متى تنتهين من الامتحان يا أخوات؟ Remember, the ياء carrying سكون in تنتهين it is not necessary to be written the way it is now. So متى تنتهين? When will you all finish? من الامتحان, from examination. يا أخوات, sisters. متى تنتهين من الامتحان? When will you all finish from examination? يا أخوات, sisters. Know the answer. سننتهي من الامتحان بعد أسبوعين. سننتهي من الامتحان بعد أسبوعين. سننتهي, we will finish. من الامتحان, from examination. بعد أسبوعين, in 2 weeks to come. 8 number 8. أريد أن أنتهي من العمل غدا. أريد أن أنتهي من العمل غدا. Remember, this an is an agent of fatha. So its grammatical duty is to mark the last letter of فعل مضارع, any فعل مضارع appearing after it, as we have it in أن أنتهي. أن أنتهي, ياء carrying fatha, caused by an appearing before the verb. You say أريد أن أذهب, I want to go. أريد أن أشرب, I want to drink. أريد أن أكتب, I want to write. أريد أن أقرأ, I want to read. So the last letter of the فعل مضارع appearing after an must be marked with fatha, because an is an agent of fatha in Arabic grammar. So أريد أن أنتهي من العمل, I want to finish from the work. غدا, by tomorrow. أريد أن أنتهي, I want to finish. من العمل, from the work. غدا, by tomorrow. 8 number 8. Now the second part. نريد أن ننتهي من الاجتماع قبل الصلاة. نريد أن ننتهي من الاجتماع قبل الصلاة. نريد أن ننتهي, we want to finish. من الاجتماع, from the meeting. قبل الصلاة, before the prayer. نريد أن ننتهي, we want to finish. من الاجتماع, from the meeting. قبل الصلاة, before salat, before the prayer. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Now the comparison between madin, past tense, and mudari'un, present tense in Arabic. Wahid, number 1. Huwa, he. Intaha, he has finished, or he finished. Yantahi, he is finishing, or he finishes. Ithnan, number 2. Here, she. Intahat, she has finished, or she finished. Tantahi, she is finishing, or she finishes. Thalatha, number 3. Ana, I. Intahaitu, I have finished, or I finished. Antahi, I am finishing, or I finish. Arba'a, number 4. Nahanu, we. Intahayna, we have finished, or we finished. Nantahi, we are finishing, or we finish. Khamsa, number 5. Anta, you, representing a single male person. Intahayta, you have finished, or you finished. Tantahi, you are finishing, or you finish. Sita, number 6. Anti, you, representing a single female person. Intahayti, you have finished, or you finished. Tantahina, you are finishing, or you finish. Sab'a, number 7. Antum, all of you, referring to a group of male persons. Intahaytum, you have all finished, or you all finished. Tantahuna, you are all finishing, or you all finish. Thamania, number 8. Antunna, all of you, referring to a group of female persons. Intahaytunna, you have all finished, or you all finished. Tantahina, tantahina, the same tantahina that you use to talk to a single female person is the same tantahina that you use to talk to a group of female person, because of the nature of the verb. Tantahina, you are all finishing, or you all finish. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Do not forget to click the link below to download any of my books right there at the comment section. Ma'as salama wa ila liqa'in akhar.